Hey guys, today we're gonna prank some golf players. Let's begin. Vent nästan. Jeg vet ikke.
Jeg går til å stå her til det drar brød. Jeg er mer for dancing det nå.
Ja. Fucking snitch.
I just wanna fuck bad bitches. Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
A few moments later.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hvor er han andre?
Jeg vet ikke. Han
En gang til, så blir det bråk.
Ok.
Du skal gjøre det fra veien, eller?
Ok.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
See me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding.
Han er på andre siden. På motsatt side der. Banen. Han kjører der. Pass på, hva ser det? Så mye til. Holy. They are in those bushes over there or something. I'm gonna try to blow the horn one more time.
Oh shit!
I go, dude.